Hey everyone, so the Xiaomi 12 series was launched in December last year, so it's been almost 6 months, but Xiaomi isn't done with the Xiaomi 12 series, as the true showstopper is yet to make its debut in the form of Xiaomi 12 Ultra. We've already seen its renders, but today fresh renders were posted by Onleaks. First of all, the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will not have any secondary display on the back like the Mi 11 Ultra. In my opinion, it's the right move. Having a secondary display on a non-folding phone doesn't make any sense. The reason for not having any secondary display could be the large camera module at the back. On the front, it has a beautiful curved display with extremely narrow bezels and a very thin bottom chin. There is a hole punch cutout in the center of the display. According to the new information, the device could get a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 12 Ultra will be the first Xiaomi phone that will have Leica flavor in its camera. The main camera could be a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor along with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 48-megapixel periscope lens and more. The smartphone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is built on TSMC's 4nm node. The TSMC-made Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 will offer better efficiency in comparison to the Samsung-made Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. In addition, the device will get its juice from a 4900 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support, and of course wireless charging feature will also be included. It is also expected to come in leather and ceramic finishes. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.